Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing first impression and review this charcoal mask cream. So let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like, and you can see everything is mentioned in different language. So this is called as bamboo charcoal whitening anti-blackhead mask cream, and this retails for 450 rupees, but you get it on discount. So I got my hands on this from Nika, so if you want you can check it out. And inside that we have the actual packaging, which looks like this in the form of tube. So it's kind of handful packaging, I would say. And this is how it looks. It comes with this flip top opening like this, so it's like very convenient to take off the product and use it, and it will be hygiene as well. And we get 130 grams of product, so we need to open that foil before using. So I'm doing that, and then I'll be tying my hair back so that it won't disturb. Then this is how the cream looks like. You can see it's kind of runny, and at the same time it's not thick also, so it's kind of medium consistency. And I'm going to apply this mask all over my face, and I'll be spreading it evenly. So just take time in applying this mask. You don't want to apply thin layer or thick layer. You just need to be consistent, and you just need to apply how much it is required, so that it will be like easy to peel off. So yeah, I'm just going to evenly apply, and then I'll let it dry so that I can peel it easily. So I wanted to try this kind of peel off mask for like a really long time, especially this charcoal mask. So I got my hands on this brand because it was paraben free. So I really wanted something like chemical free peel off mask because my skin is sensitive and I don't want to make my skin irritated. And while applying this mask, I was literally feeling so comfortable and my skin was not at all irritated. So yes, once I'm done applying the mask, this is how it looks, and it takes around 15 minutes to get dry completely. So let's just enjoy in 15 minutes, and then we'll peel it off super quickly. And after 15 minutes it's ready to peel off. So I'll be starting with the edges like this. I'll be slowly doing it, and then I'll like peel it off completely. So while doing this step, please be careful because it will hurt your facial hair if you have more. So just hold your face like this, like I'm doing right there, and then peel it off so that it will be less painful. So I'll be doing same thing till I reach the edge. And while I was removing the mask, I could literally see my cheeks were going red, and that was because the mask was pulling my hair. And as I said, my skin is sensitive, so it was little red after peeling it off, but it got settled and it got reduced very soon because I used rose water. So no worries about that. But if you have like more facial hair, you need to be extra careful while removing this mask. And I have peach fuzz on my face, and this mask literally, you guys, it literally took off the peach fuzz and whiteheads. Like, I know it's embarrassing to show it on camera, but it's so satisfying, and it makes our skin so refreshed and cleansed from inside. So it just takes all your gunk and the dirt from your skin. So guys, once I washed my face, this is how it looks. I could literally feel my skin had become so soft and clean from inside. So this mask is really effective if you have peach fuzz, if you have blackheads, whiteheads. It will remove, and it does make so much difference, because even though if we wash our face every day, there will be like lot of dust inside our pores which will be stuck, and we need to peel it off with this kind of charcoal mask or charcoal creams. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this product, and I really highly recommend this product to you guys. And with that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.